Welcome back to my new video. Today we learn how to create account for CompTIA. You need to open any browser whichever is available on your desktop. Right now I am using Chrome. Search VUE/CompTIA. Then click on this first website. Yes, this one. After that continue to login. The login page will be open. If you already have login account, you can directly enter your password and login from here. We are creating new account. Enter your email address here. Enter your Gmail. Send verification code. Code will be received on your email. Open your Gmail. Go to Gmail. Copy this code and paste here. Verify code. Continue. You need to fill some details, basic details here. First name, last name. Create a strong password. Your password must contain 10 characters, lower letter, uppercase letter, digits, special character. Enter your password here. Password must be strong. Re-enter your password. Confirm your password. Then click on this tick box and continue. Account creation is done. If you want to learn how to schedule exam, I definitely post my next video on that. Thank you.